What's up, guys? How is everybody doing out there? Guys, I am at S.M Mall. Security guy right there. I'm at S.M Mall. I'm outside. Let me show you where I'm at, right? I'm outside here. This is the area that they just finished up maybe 6 months ago or so. I'm going to walk down through here. Last time I was down through here, a lot of this was still under construction. There's a Tim Hortons right there on the corner. I did notice a Subway down through here, but we're going to check it out. Boy, this is so nice. You got to love the fact, let me get a little wider here. There we go. You got to love the fact that the Philippines love their mall. At night, I'm sure this is all lit up and beautiful. I'm going to walk down, show you some of the new stores. We got a big Pet Express. You know, Pet Express is probably something that you would, back in the States, they have the big pet stores and stuff, but they got the one right here. And here's old Rover.
Hi, sir.
Hello. Here's old Rover, right? You guys remember Andrew Dice Clay? Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. When she bent over, Rover took over and gave her a bone of his own. All right, let's shoot down here. Let me show you what's going on. They even have parking here on this side. Of course, it says exit only. I've never parked over here, so they got a whole new parking garage over here. If it's like the other parking area, I think it's 20 pesos to park. But yeah, this is really nice. Here's a Korean Dookie Korean place here. I'm just completely amazed. All this here, guys. This was a field at one time. Well, no, this was actually an outside parking area at one time, and they put all this in. It was the area where you guys been with me a long time. You guys remember I went to the International Balloon Festival, not the Balloon Festival. Let me walk up this way. Went to the International Firework Display, right? Well, this here was the area that we stood and watched fireworks. But wow, check it out. Feast and Fire Unlimited Buffet. 4-in-1 plus buffet for $5.99. Last time I was up here, this was open, and there was a bunch of people here lined up to eat. Bistro Ibarra? Bistro Ibarra? Jabara? Ibarra? You guys know how I am. I think that's an I or a J. Jibara or Ibarra, I guess, right? But check this out. Right down here on the right-hand side, everything but cheese. I wonder what that is. I'll look at their little menu. Everything but cheese. Cheesy burger, cheesy baked rice, grilled cheese, mac and cheese, cheese bundles. I guess if you like cheese, this is the place to go, right? Mac and cheese. Doesn't look like any mac and cheese I've ever had. But yeah, Subway. They got a Subway in here. Eat fresh. The only other Subway, well, there are other Subways, but the one I know of is over in Marquee Mall. So they now have one outside here. This is outside the main mall. It's on the back side. Subway's okay. I mean, it's okay. Let's put it that way. I like the meatball subs here at Subway's. Pretty good. Tiger Sugar. Come in. Doesn't appear to be too big inside there. The store that caught my eye here. It's called Decathlon Clark. Never heard of the store. It appears to be a big sports store. According to the outside, it says sports mega store, sports mega store. I've seen signs going through the mall. Discover 700 plus sports in here. So I'm going in here. I'm going to check this out. It looks pretty neat as you come in here, boy. These are nice. Look at this tenting. Hey, how you doing, buddy? Nice big tenting display here. Camping display. Wow, this is nice. Check that out. Big screen. Look at they're waving to you. But wow, this is a big sports store. I am impressed. And boy, everything smells like new. Everything smells brand new. But guys, if you're into tenting, they got it all. Price-wise, something like this little tent here, that'll run you 4,690 pesos. And of course, on up size-wise, depending on what you want. You got your blow-up beds in there. This one here, 6,090 pesos. Wonder if they have the old camping. Yep, they do. They have the old camping chairs. Here's your little minis. Your little mini tents. Display only. Check out this bad boy here. This is like camping in style. Camping in luxury, right? Little kitchen area. Little dining area to sit. Your sleeping area back in there. I don't see the name brands. But here's your camping chairs. Your Walmart special camping chairs, right? Prices, $460 for that little guy, $890, less than 20 bucks. You're looking at less than 20 bucks, except for this one here. This is 2,690. This one's 3,990, 2,590. There's all your camping supplies you would need. Need a table. They got a table. And more chairs here. These are nice, huh? All right, now we're coming over into hiking shoes. There's hiking shoes for kids. All your hiking shoes there. Anything to do with hiking. Women's hiking shoes. Women's hiking shoes. Then you got a kayak back here. Swimming. All your swimming supplies are all back in here. Snorkeling. I don't see any type of scuba diving equipment. Snorkeling, eyewear, kidwear, swimming wear for kids. Swimming accessories. This is the first time I've ever seen a place like this. Swimsuits, guys. Here's some swimsuits. They're not the street swimsuits. These are good, appear to be good quality. And then again, 500 pesos, 990 pesos. Really, I'm impressed. I know I'll probably say that 100 times. So you got some bikinis here, some swimming towels here. Hope that music isn't picking up, or that would just kill my video. These are wet bags for if you go out in the ocean or on a boat. Throw all your stuff in there so it stays dry. You don't get it wet. More kayaks back in here. Life preservers. I'm just doing a quick roll through. Got weights in here. This reminds me of a Dick's Sporting Goods, right? Dick's Sporting Goods of the Philippines. You got your weights. You got your bags. You got your gloves. More weights back here. More free weights back in here. Come back over this way. There's all your needs for, say, aerobics, bicycles, bouncing, trampoline, little bouncy trampoline, what do they call them? Ellipticals, treadmills. We're gonna keep rolling. Fitting room, women's yoga. What else we got back here? Wow. Men's clothing, fitness apparel, women's fitness apparel. What else we got back in here? Looks like golfing. Now we're rolling into the golfing area or tennis area. They got tennis rackets back in here. What else we got back in here? Check it out. Ping pong table. 17,990 pesos for a ping pong table. That's nice. Then we're going back into the women's shoes. Little archery here. You can practice on archery. Of course, we got basketball. Back in there is some golf. I see golf tees. Of course, men's apparel, walking apparel. This is impressive, guys. Dick's Sporting Goods of the Philippines. There's some watches, fitness watches. Now we're hitting the basketball area. Your basketball shoes back in there. Your basketball hoops back in there. Everything to do with basketball. It looks like they have soccer balls back in there. Soccer cleats back in there. What do we have here? Oh, here's your tons of basketballs here. 370 pesos for a basketball. Just gonna roam around. Now you hit the bike section here. Here's all your bikes. 54,000 pesos for the middle one, 29,000, 16,000 for that little guy right there. Here's more of your bikes, all your bike apparel, all your bike equipment you would need, helmets, glasses, clothing, bags, shoes. We got kids' bicycles back in here. Like a salesman, right? You got the woman here all hooked up with her helmet and her glasses and her backpack and her gloves and her shirt and her shorts and her shoes. She's ready to go. He's ready to go. More clothing apparel back in here. Anything you need. Here's some bike pumps in case you need to pump your tires up. Here's your tires in case you need an extra tire. Here's your seats in case you want to change out and get an extra seat. What else do we have back in here? Yeah. Oh, here's a kid's thing you can stick on your bike, right? So when you're driving down the road, you want to put your kid on the back. Boom, you got your thing. You got the little hookup for your kid to sit in as you cruise down the road. I tell you what, they got a lot of bicycle trails all through Clark. From the second you enter the gate, all the way through Clark. Plenty of bike trails. It's a big thing. Now, next, shoes. We got your shoe apparel for your bicycles and your bicycle that needs. We got your reflector vests up the road there. We got your outfits here, your shirts here. We even got fold-up bicycles here for you. You want a fold-up bicycle? Here you go. Fold-up bicycle for you. Helmets. We got your helmets right here, all the way down through here. Different colors: black, red, green, white, fluorescent, white. We got it all here. More bicycles here. Let's get out of this area and let's keep rolling down the road. Here we go. We're heading into the roller skating area. Here's your roller blades right here. What size do you want? Looks like they have kids sized, kids colors, different kind of colors, all the way up to adults. Roller blades here, all the way up to adults, from one size to the next size. And we even got roller skates here. Not a big variety of roller skates, but we do have roller skates. Then we shoot around here. And here we go, another treadmill in case you want to get out and stay in and run on the treadmill. We have that. Now we're breaking out here. We've got skateboard equipment. You guys see the skateboard equipment. Helmets for your kids if you need a helmet. You got elbow pads and knee pads, and then you have adult helmets all the way down through to your skateboards. Then you got your skateboard section. I don't know what the heck that skateboard is. Never seen something like that. Guys, remember when skateboards first came out? Those from my era. But anyways, here we go down by the skateboard area. And then we get the little scooters. The little scooters here, they appear to be for kids all the way up to adults. And then you have, let's see what's over here. Recovery. It says recovery. I don't know what that means. Is that a sale area? I don't know. But you guys see it. I am coming back to where I just started. Here you go. Checkout cash payments right here. Pretty much covers it. Here's your payout, your checkout right here. Welcome desk, checkout desk. This place is impressive, and hopefully that I will be able to get this up for everybody without getting a copyright strike. I don't think I walked back in here. Nope. This is your. What is this here? I don't know what it appears. Oh, just got your backpacks. Appears to be backpacks back in here. fanny packs, backpacks. What else? What else am I seeing? Just seems to be all backpacks through here. Headgear. Let me see over here. Yeah, they got some headgear here, hat gear for walking, hiking, whatever. Oh, we even have a mirror here. Hey, what's up, Philly? Philly in the Philippines in the house. You guys see it. I'm impressed. I am super impressed with this. Headlights right there. See if you need something to wrap around your head for a light. You got that right there. So, whew, hope you enjoyed that quick little tour through here. This place is neat. Check it out. It has probably everything you want when it comes to outdoor apparel. Definitely has everything. Like I said, the Dick's Sporting Goods of the Philippines. Back outside. They told me they just opened March 30th. That sporting good place. So that's brand new. But wow, is that neat. Here we got a glazed artesian donuts. We got some donuts in there. We got Big Al's cakes, cookies, and ice cream. What else we got up through here? Look, when I actually thought about coming here and eating something out here. What do we have here? I'm not even going to try that. Oh, taco place. It's a taco place. Chapucheka. I'm not even going to pronounce it, guys, but I can see in there. Tacos. Taste of Mexico. Then we have, here's their menu. And we have this place here. Chung Chung Rice Corn Dog. And then we got some foam coffee in the corner. Foam coffee in the corner. As there's a second floor to this. As we come down here, let me see what's down here. Oh, guys, check it out. Denny's. Breaking news. Well, not breaking news. A friend of mine told me, JR, thank you. Denny's is coming July of 2023. Denny's is coming to the mall. SM Super Mall. Looks like he's hanging the sign up there. It says July of 2023. Hopefully that's gonna happen July, but we know how things move here. But check it out, Denny's. Denny's is coming here. I was told there's another one. If I can find it, down here is coming in. All this is being renovated down through here. This could be your Denny's. I would say it's probably your Denny's down through here. What's that? Italianus coming in July of 2023. Italianus. Oh, check this one out, guys. Check this one out. Yes, it is true. We are getting a Texas Roadhouse, and this is the best. I went down to the one in Makati, right? Down in Makati, Manila, down there at the Texas Roadhouse. And man, was it good. JR, you are correct. They are coming in. Anyways, here's the entrance going in for parking. I'm not going to roam down that way. Let me flip it quick and then let's exit out of this video. Texas Roadhouse, guys, July 2023. Denny's 2023. Filipino time. It'll be open for Christmas, right? So anyways, guys, here it is. Hope you enjoyed this little walk, and leave your comments down below, and we will talk to you later.